So LeetCode 1701, average waiting time. So you're the chef of a restaurant and you're given an array of customers in order of their arrival at the restaurant. And as soon as the customer arrives, they give you their order and you're given the time of arrival and the time that it takes to prepare the order of the current customer. So you can only prepare the orders in the order that they are given to you as an input. So like the customers are in a queue and you cannot decide to prepare a order before another. If it was given to you in a certain order, you need to prepare them in that order. Okay, and what you want to return is you want to return the average waiting time of all of the customers. Okay, so to do this, we're going to basically have to simulate being the chef and determining what is the waiting time of every customer. So to do that, we're going to, first of all, keep track of the total waiting time of all customers, and then we're going to divide that by the customer's length, and that will give us the correct return value, which is the average of the waiting time. Okay, so we're going to have two variables, which is, first of all, the result, which is the total sum of all of the waiting times of all of the customers, and we're going to have the now variable, which keep tracks of the time. So this is just the current time. And now we're going to have a loop that goes through all of the customers and takes their arrival and the time to prepare the order. And what you do is, first of all, you need to wait. Like if now is less than arrival, then it means that you cannot do anything in the time between now and arrival. Because if we are at the start of this iteration here, it means that we have ended the previous iteration, or it is the first iteration. And if we have ended the previous iteration, then it means that we've already prepared the order of the previous customer. So if we've already prepared the order of the previous customer, and now is less than arrival, then we cannot do anything in the meantime. We cannot use the time between now and arrival to do something. So if it is not arrival time yet, then we just wait for that. We don't do anything but wait. But if it is already passed, then we already have the order and we do not have to wait any time. In fact, the customer is already waiting if now is greater than arrival. So might as well take their order immediately. Okay, now, so after doing this line, now you are sure that you are ready, you're actually ready to prepare the order of the customer. Because first of all, as I've already said before, you've already prepared the previous customer's order, and so you do not have to do that. You can prepare the current customer's order. And second of all, the customer has arrived because of this line here. Okay, and so now you are sure that you can prepare the current customer's order. And how do you prepare it? You just simulate doing something. So you add to now the time that it takes to prepare the order. And now you have the actual waiting time of the customer, which is just the current time minus the arrival of the customer, right? So you add that to the result, because remember that the result is the total sum of all of the waiting times of all of the customers. And at the end, you just return the result divided by the length of the customer's array. And that's it, right? So I'll submit the solution to show you that it works. And the time complexity is O of n, because you just go through all of the customers once. And the space complexity is O of 1, because you don't have any array or list or set or map or anything like that. So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching, and bye.